Hey buddy, if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for new and truly entertaining video styles. You stay up all night, staring at your screen, mourning over your editing skills. Well, fret not. This video is just for you. 1. Main character and animation. In this point, you can choose characters such as the Fool. This character is often used for comedic effect and can be easily found online. The Frog. Similarly, this character can be readily available online and can add a unique touch to your content. You can also choose a specific character like Thanos. In our example, we will use Thanos. The process is simple. You just need to find the body of the character you want from the internet, and then replace the head with the desired main character's head. By doing this, you will have your own custom character. You can even change the emotions of the character, even if it's Thanos. For animation, you can use CAPCUT, which allows you to easily create keyframes. However, make sure to make the movement smooth by using a simple button or a graphic that will ensure smooth transitions. 2. Video editing unique style. For this point, it's up to you to define your own unique style of video editing. Don't worry, I won't leave you hanging. Let's continue with some examples. 1. Word by word style. This style involves displaying text on a black background, with each word appearing one by one. It's an engaging and attention-grabbing technique. 2. Montage of multiple images. You can create a fast-paced montage by continuously displaying a large number of images. It can be images of the main character or funny characters, with the main character's head as a sub-slide on top of them. 3. Add comics and videos. You can incorporate comic strips or short videos into your content. Anything can be used, but make sure to keep the duration of each image or comic strip to no more than 1 second for quick presentation. For example, dear follower, you should be a monster, not a chicken. I know everyone loves chicken in all its cooking styles, but chickens don't know how to make money, only feathers. 3. The most important part. I won't leave you hanging at this point either. Regardless of what we've discussed, the most important thing is the content itself. Is it entertaining? Put yourself in the viewer's shoes and ask yourself if you would enjoy the video. Many people are using the avatar technique to present their content, and that's not a negative thing. You can spend some time exploring their content to see how they use avatar-based editing techniques. The advice is to watch their content to learn more or choose the same concept but add your own personal touch. Everyone is doing it now, so when choosing your content idea, make sure it's something you enjoy so that you don't get bored halfway through. Want to see your content go viral soon on YouTube? Waiting for you.